So the y-intercept from the table. So what I'm going to have you do is please turn to page 24. Can you hand me Nazelle's journal, please? So if you look on, thank you. If you look on page 24 where we did the quiz, and you look on 25 where we did the graphs, we have the beginning point or the banana on 15. And if you look at your table on page 24, the 15 is next to what? X equals 0. And if you look at the other banana, it's on 30, or the beginning point's on 30, the y-intercept is on 30. And if you look at the table, the 30 is also next to 0. So when we look for the y-intercept, the banana, the beginning point, it's where x equals 0. The y-intercept is where x equals 0. It's the opposite. So wherever the y-intercept is, it's because x equals 0. That's how you know from a table. So I'm going to ask that you copy an example. And we'll do 0 and 8. So the moment that you find that x equals 0, that is your beginning point. Now I asked you to bring highlighters. If you don't have highlighters, I provided some in the tables. Please take a yellow one if you don't have one. Please circle that beginning point, and please draw a banana next to it. That's to symbolize that that is our y-intercept. So again, you find where x equals 0, and that's your beginning point. Draw a banana next to it, circle that point, then go to page 24, and please circle your beginning point, draw a banana next to it. Remember, for this 6 weeks, you need to know how to get the y-intercept, the slope, the x-intercept from the graphs, tables, equations. If you cannot do that, you will fail for the 6 weeks. But notice the whole point of doing all 4 together is that you can see that 0, 15, that's correct, and it also is showing you again on the graph that the banana is on 15. Okay? It's a way of checking your work. So I'm going to walk around. Please make sure that that is circled, and you draw the banana next to it. Do the same thing for Tiffany's table. Make sure both tables have the bananas on them when I walk around. Please make sure you circle it with the yellow highlighter. So I'll come around in the next 15 or so seconds.